My funny Valentine, you make me smile with my heart. Sweet comic Valentine, your looks are laughable, unphotographable. Is your figure less than Greek? Yet you're my favorite work of art. Each day is Valentine.